How to change your forgotten password in Roblox. First of all, open your Roblox app and tap on sign in. Then, tap on the forgot password or username option on the login screen. Next, enter the email address linked to your Roblox account. Make sure it's the correct one, as you'll need to receive the receipt link. Once you have entered your email, tap the submit button. Now, check your inbox for an email from Roblox. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and you'll find a link to reset your password. Click on the password reset link, which will take you to the page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and something you can easily remember. After entering your new password, confirm it and tap submit. Once your password is successfully set, you can log into Roblox with your new password and start playing again. And that's it. Now you know how to change your forgotten password in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.